Okay, hello, good evening, good evening. Tap the screen, guys. So let's allow people to join. You can tap the screen, guys, on your end as we wait for more people to join. So we have a trade here. We have a trade here. If you shift to mini 15, we have a trade here for a sell. Yes. Here for a sell, and for us, we've just entered here around this region. So you're waiting to see come to stop that, but still it's a valid trade. And for us, we are trading with the 2.2 strategy. Okay, so for us, we are 2.2 strategy. We are trading the 2.2 strategy. You can see my screen, guys, on your end. Tap the screen, guys. Share the live. Confirm that you can hear me, guys, on your end. Kindly confirm kama mnanipata. Yes. Okay. So tap the screen, guys, on your end. Tap the screen. Share the live. Yes, for city nasema audible. Okay. Okay, so the 2.2, and we're just monitoring kama tuta if you've missed the trade, but for this one, the high, okay, you're marking this high, London reversal, and also you're marking London reversal low here, and you can see the market just broke below this region in the body, okay. So for us to tumeshaingilia this region, and our stop loss slightly above, okay, our stop loss is slightly above this region, so we are risking on 20 pips to target 240. Okay, 120 pips to target 240. So still it's a valid trade. Still it is a valid trade. Let's proceed on to minute 5. So kama minute 5 ita close as bearish, so you can take the trade. Are you together? So if the minute 5 is going to be closing as a bearish, we can engage for the trade for a sell. Are you together? Yes. Gado anasema Saudi iko sawa. Yes. Audible for city anasema audible. Yes. Let us on proceed, guys. Let us on proceed. Okay, talking about this idea of the gold, we are still speculating for more bearishness. We are still speculating for more bearishness. Looking at it on the higher time frame, on the daily time frame, still we are bearish gold, unless otherwise, okay? Until otherwise. So for us, we just highlighted this trade in the morning, and we see that this was a first take profit here. So second take profit, let me have a new chart here. Just like that, already have a new chart. So we say that this was our first take profit here. So our second take profit will be around this region where we have second take profit will be around that region. Okay. So, but checking on this market, maybe for the people who want to swing trade this market, you can check at it on the minute 15. Okay. So looking at this trade on minute 15, yes, if you already have this trade running, okay, you can consider exiting around the ADR low at the first take profit, but still come on hold this trade, you can go with it all the way to 44, 40, 48, around that region. Okay. Yes. But for me, I usually advise that I was talking one to one, at least toka na 1:2. Okay. Yenye kidogo unaweza toka nayo is 1:2. So don't find yourself you just exiting with 1 to 1, or even sometimes you're risking 1 to get 0.5. At that point, you're not in the business. Right, together. So let's monitor this trade on minute 5. It closes bearish, you can engage that trade for a sell. Yes, you can engage that trade for a sell. Okay. And for this one, it's just a very simple strategy. It's just a very simple strategy. You just mark the high, you mark the low. You can see it. Very simple strategy. Don't complicate yourself. You mark the high, you mark the low, You wait for the market to either break above or to break below with a body. So if you break, you just do what? Just engage for for your trade. Okay. Yes. So come on a trade, you can engage this trade for a sell. If you don't have a trade, you can engage this trade for a sell. Okay. If you don't have a trade, you can engage this trade for a sell. Yes, you are risking 120 to target 240. Okay. We are engaging this trade for a sell 240. We're risking 120, so our stop loss will go slightly above at this region. I believe you can see my stop loss. My stop loss is around this region. My entry point around this region. Okay. Then my take profit kwa wapi? Iko huku hivi kwa the Asian law. Then we wait. Are you together? Then we wait. One of the biggest thing you can do in forex is just waiting. And waiting takes time. Okay, so for the stop loss or take profit. So I believe you guys you are in. I believe you guys you are okay. I believe we are in this trade a sell. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. So let us on proceed, guys. Okay. Let us on proceed. So looking on the other pairs, looking on silver. So silver, if you check at it on the daily time frame, I believe you can see my screen, guys. What your YouTube, what your TikTok, I believe you can see my screen. And talking about the idea of the silver, so still we are much bearish on these metals. Okay, still go bearish. And the idea of this silver trade is that the market has already came to broke this demand region. Okay, the market came and broke this demand region or support region. Okay, and whenever we tend to see the market breaking that region or either demand or support or either resistance or supply region, we tend to you can see for this initially it was support, so it turned to be the resistance. Like for instance, for this trade of silver, we are looking for sales. Okay, I'm looking for sales all the way to this region. I'm looking for sales all the way to this region on the 800 EMA. So that's why for me, most of these metals, I'm still bearish, okay, because of a stronger dollar. So I'm still bearish on these trades because of a stronger dollar, okay. No way I'm going to be looking for buys right now on these metals. So I'm still bearish on these metals, okay. So the idea of the silver on the lower time frame, that's on minute 15. So the mean 15 like distance for this one has already come to the test the Asian low. So still we are expecting to see sales continuation. Okay, still we expecting to see sales continuation, but we have already engaged this trade for a sell on gold. So come on a trade, still it is a valid trade for a sell. Still it is a valid trade for a sell. Then we wait. Okay, then we wait. So talking another pair we checked in the morning was the chart of the Euro USD. And checking the chart of the Euro USD, still we see that we are still in the same momentum. So still to go bearish on the group one pairs. Looking at it on minute 15. So if you find yourself buying under this region, technology trap, so you can wait for some sort of a W pattern. Okay, you can still wait for something like the W patterns for you to engage yourself for some pullbacks. So, but at this region, utakuwa umejiseti. Okay, so to be on the safer side, we usually trade in line with the trend. Okay, we usually trade in line with the trend. Okay, so the same applies for the GPP USD. Still, we're expecting for continuation of sales. Looking at it on the higher time frame, on the daily time frame, still, I'm expecting to see sales continuation on the GPP USD. Okay, don't complicate your analysis. Just make it to be simple and very clear. Are you together, guys? Just make it to be simple and to be very clear. So today I want us to check on, most of the time we don't check on the stock. So I want us to check what is happening on the other side of stock. I want us to check what's happening on the other side of the stock market. And for this one, we have the financial visualization. Okay, now checking the other side of the stocks, you can see 0.97. And NVIDIA most of the time affects the Nasdaq. Okay, we have Microsoft negative. How to trade? How do you trade this one? Trade like him. Someone had to how do you trade like him? trade on these news? Okay, or how do you trade on these how do you trade on these stocks? So basically, usually, these stocks are being driven by the reports and earning. Just come here and get simply just come here and check what's happening in this stock market. And stock market has money actually. Many people focus so much on currencies and metals, but still, for this one, inakwanga pia na usually has money actually. Okay. Yes, yes. So basically, I usually come here to yahoo.com or to Yahoo Finance, just check on what's happening on, Nvidia. You can see here we have Nvidia, CRM, we have Tesla. So this is the website that I usually come to check on what's happening on the stocks. But you cannot buy the stocks. You cannot go and purchase the stocks. As shares. We usually buy these stocks as contracts. Okay, because like right now, if you go to purchase one share of a Tesla, it's a bit expensive. Okay, now to buy only one share, you're going to be buying several shares. So like for me, I usually position myself to the stock market as a contract. Okay, I usually buy in terms of put and also in terms of calls. So put you buy and call you sell. Okay, so going back to the charts, let's see what's happening. So maybe on your side, which other chart do you want us to check? Which pair, which pair do you want us to check on your end? Yes, yes, yes. Which pair do you want us to check on your end? Yes, yes, yes. Sorry for the background. It's a bit messy. Okay, okay. Which other pair do you want us to check, guys? But also, guys, we have the profile group. Okay, we have a profile group where you can where you can join us in trading the profams. Okay, you can join us where we usually trade the profams, and the essence of this one is to help many traders as possible to pass these phases. Yes, yes. Tap the screen, guys, on your end. I've been told that you are not tapping the screen. Kindly, when you join, tap the screen. Kindly, when you join, tap the screen on your end. Yes, 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 yes. Kindly, when you join, tap the screen. Yes, 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 yes. So we have a trade of gold for a sell. We have a trade for gold sell, and for us, is there is a stop loss, I'm gonna take profit. So for us, it's either stop loss, I'm gonna take profit. Yes, 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 yes. So there's someone niambia tuangalie on the yen pairs. So talking about the yen pairs, we have the USDJPY. We say this market is that we're going to be waiting to see some pullbacks before entering for a buy. And for this one, we see that this is the daily time frame. So going back to the lower time frame or H1 time frame, we are going to be waiting for some buys opportunities at around these regions at the 200 EMA. So, but right now, yes, the market is being held up by the 50 EMA, but right now it will be a high risk trade. Okay, it will be a high risk trade. So to be on the safer side, you can wait for this market at around this region. Okay, but still, this market has been buying. Okay, this market has been buying. Yes, yes, it's talking about USDCHF. Still expect to see some buys. Okay, upon getting some pullbacks, we are going to be looking for the buys opportunities. Okay, the group two pairs, we have said that we are going to be looking for sales. The group two pairs, we are going to be looking for the sales. Okay, yes, yes, yes. So maybe any question, guys, on your end? Any question? Yes, yes, yes. Maybe any question on your end? Yes, 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 yes. So that's how we do it. No pressure, just entering the market with a risk management. And together, guys, entering with the risk management, you are good to go. So the chart of gold still, I'm speculating for sales. I'm still speculating for sales of gold because the general trend of this market is downtrend. Because the general market of this gold is down. Okay. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, 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 okay. Yes, maybe question, guys, on your end. Any question, guys, on your end? Yes, yes, yes. Any question, any question, any question on your end? Maybe what to YouTube. Any question, guys? Yes, tap tap the screen, guys. Let's allow more people to join. Tap 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 the screen on your end. So let's allow more people to join. Yes, yes, yes. Tap tap the screen, guys. When you join, share the live as we wait for more people to join. Sianto, good to see you. Nakuona. Yes, yes. Request ni kupandisha. Sianto, request ni kupandisha. Yes, yes, yes. Tap 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 tap. Sorry for that. So let's allow more people to join. Let's allow more people to join, guys. Tap tap the screen. Tap tap the screen, guys. Yes, 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 yes. Tap 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 to tap tap button. Okay. To tap tap the screen, guys. Yes. Sorry for that. I think it was a discontinuation or disconnection. Yes, yes, yes. So let's allow more people to join. I can see about 5 of us. Yes, Yanto. Yanto Panda. Nimekupandisha Panda. Yes, 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 yes. When you join, guys, kindly tap tap the screen. Tap tap the screen, guys. So we're still in the sales on gold. We are still selling this shiny metal. Still to sell trade. We are still in this sell trade of gold. Yes, kuna trade na monitor. Yes, itaniwacha. Okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. So let's allow more people to join. In the meantime, guys, when you join, kindly tap tap the screen. Yes, yes, yes. When you join, guys, kindly tap 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 the screen. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes, yes. So let's allow more people to join. Let's allow more people to join. Let's allow more people to join. Kindly, when you join, tap 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 the screen. Okay, tap tap the screen. Yes, yes, yes. We still have a learning trade. We still have a learning trade. Say that tuko around break even. Okay, tuko around break even. Kama una trade, ingia trade ya gold sell. If you don't have a trade, we have a trade for gold sell. So still is a trade we are in. We have the entry point around this region. We have the stop loss, and we have the take profit. So entry point yetu ilikuwa around this region, then our take profit iko around this region. Okay, then you do what? Then we wait. Then we wait. Okay, 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 okay. I can see Bobo, good to see you. Margarita nakuona, Fulani nakuona. So let's allow more people to join. In the meantime, let's allow more people to join. So tap tap the screen, guys, on your end. Yes, 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 yes. Tap 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 tap. So time frame is minute 15. Time frame is minute 15. Yes, kindly when you join, tap 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 the screen. You can see we're about 100 of us. And sorry for this connection. Okay. Let's see kama watarudi. But in the meantime, tap tap the screen. Okay, this is a trade that we already take it for a sell. So kama uko na trend, I believe you already for a sell on gold. Okay, I believe you are in for sell on gold. Then we wait. It's about amount of waiting to see kama itatupatia profit. Okay, when you enter the trade, you just wait. Okay, you just wait. Okay, nani anataka nimpandishe? Anyone anataka nimpandishe? Ya keep ni aje?
Vitu sana bana Kim, inakuaje?
Poa sana, umechukua trade?
Kwa ndani ya trade,
Yes.
the rule is either TP or a sell because it is still within the plan. As long as tume observe our winning ratio, that is 1-2. So let's see how the market will play out.
Okay, so let's wait to see how and how so far forex anakupeleka aje? Okay, so far so good. So there's a progress.
There's so much progress because I am a member of I'm a member in that prop farm group.
Yes.
And I remember when I obtained my prop farm, I slightly encountered quite a number of drawdown.
Yes.
Which at first I was a little bit afraid, so I had to remain calm and then I joined the group, and I can see I'm actually filling up that difference in terms of the drawdown, and also learning new skills, and also topping up that skills and knowledge day by day. Yeah.
Okay, that is great. That is so that is actually great. Okay, nani mwingine ndani mpandishe? Ndio ndani wapandishe nyinyi wote. Yes. Nani mwingine ndani mpandishe? Kasi about 10 of us. So I think watu maybe walipotea juu ya network. Ilikuwa imenitoa but in the meantime tunaweza endelea. Okay? So far that is keep. I believe keep on showing each and every day. It will make sense. So the good thing, you have a pro farm. Whenever you're going to pass that pro farm, I believe, yeah, you can fund your account. Okay, the good thing, ukitoa pesa kwa pro farm usikule tena nazo kule pesa zote. At least go and fund your live account. From there, you build your live account. Yes, that is good from Keep. Maybe any other person. I can see about 10 of us. Godfrey. Okay, so what we can do, guys, let's monitor the trade. So let's monitor the trade is either stop loss, or take profit. So is either stop loss, or take profit. So don't find yourself you are trading the emotions. Okay, just trade with a plan. Okay, just trade with a plan. And the plan nasemaje, whenever the market breaks below, you do what? You wait for a sell. It break above, you just do what? You just enter for a buy. Simple as that. So don't ever complicate yourself. Together, don't complicate yourself. This is the 2.3 strategy. Let me show you the 2.2. So the 2.2 strategy is here. So very simple. So don't complicate yourself. Okay? Don't complicate yourself. Repeating the same thing again and again. Okay? It's just showing up each and every day. Just repeating the same thing again and again. Okay, so maybe wanted to monitor this trade. Let's monitor this trade and let's see the outcome of it. Okay, let's monitor the trade and let's see the outcome of it. Kama una trade bado, still it's a valid trade. Hata bado imekuja kwa entry point. If you don't have a trade, still it is a valid trade for a sell. So still it is a valid trade for a sell, and for you it's either stop loss or take profit. Right together, it's either stop loss or take profit. Yes. So let's monitor the trade. Yes, let's monitor the trade and see how the outcome itakuwa. So I think situpatane kesho. Let's meet tomorrow. So let's monitor the trade. Let me wish you a wonderful evening ahead. So bye bye, cheers, and God bless you. Yes, enough. Yaje. So bado nini inasumbua? Bado YouTube inasumbua. I believe size iko sawa. I believe size bado iko sawa. I believe iko sawa. So video utility down key quality I'm in. Okay. So I believe size iko sawa. So now see tupatane after the session. Okay, wacha to meet after the session. Bye bye and cheers.